Fuck, man. I forgot to record. I forgot to record. Oh, shit. Alright, guys. We're currently in a trade. I'm gonna be targeting this high up here. Um, let me sell. I'm gonna go over the trade itself after this is finished. I'm anticipating this thing to close nicely above here. Definitely want to see it close above here. If it doesn't close above, killing the trade, no questions asked. I'll be adding two more on this one. Yep, give me a quiet. Yep, nicely done. Two more here. I'm just gonna be targeting this up here. Eight. What is this shit? Oh. No, we're not targeting that. Two more. Keeps moving nicely. At this point, I do not want to see price. Three more. Go to the 5 minute here. Should be able to manipulate this high up here. Yeah. Should be able to. Kept the risk to a minimum. Nicely done. That's how you fucking do it, boy. I already knew it was gonna go up, as you can see. Hold on. Let me take that off. How much are we up here? This account, I kind of fucked this account. I'm not gonna lie. On Friday, I didn't touch this on Friday though, because I knew I was probably gonna do some stupid shit, which I did on this account. But I don't know. I don't really care as much as this account. I mean, for this account, even though, you know, like I'm only down like 700. I mean, no, like 300 from initial balance. I mean now, but back before Friday, I was up 200 from initial balance. But I just didn't care too much about it because compared to the top step one, it ain't shit. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna just keep doing what I'm supposed to be doing, bro. That's it. I mean, today I'm already done for the day, man. It's a good ass day. Uh, yeah, it was a beautiful day. I mean, I could have probably like, oh look at that. I only need like, how much is that? Like $20, $30, 33 to pass the account. But I ain't too much in a hurry. I get that shit tomorrow. But yeah, this was a quick, easy trade, man. So let's go over it. Go to the daily. Previous days, uh, previous days candle closed, nicely bullish, and this low was already put in when I got to the charts. So I mean, we were actually really close to the fucking target here. I really thought that we was gonna be able to take it out already before this retracement here. As you can see, I took a trade here on the practice. I took a trade here somewhere, but I already knew it was gonna go up higher. Let me lock this shit. But yeah. So I was looking at that, right? Looking at this candle, this daily. I mean, this hourly candle. Tapped into this previous high here from this candle. I said, okay. Like at that point, once it taps into that, like as long as price gives me like a displacement up, it should be ready to go. Because when I took that trade on the practice, we had this SMT here. So they just wanted to like make a deeper retracement, tap into the order block, even more confirmations that we're gonna go higher. The reason why we want to go higher, clear buy side up here. This was the minimum for me. I put this line here for a price to like possibly go into. It's like the 50% of this wick here. And we could probably get into there because we also have some order blocks up here, or get into the 50% of this wick here, which is like right here. But I'm not gonna fucking hold all the way there, bro. Cause I don't know what's gonna go there. Like, but I know for a fact it's gonna go here though. You know what I'm saying? So there's that. Entered. Could have gotten a better entry, but I waited for this candle to form here. I was like, okay, we're getting nice close. I'm gonna put my limit here, and I kind of already knew it wasn't gonna tap me in, so I went to the 5 minute. This candle didn't close just yet, but I already knew it was gonna close nicely. Like I didn't expect it to close nicely above here, but it would have been better, which it did. But for me, as long as it closes above this fair value, it's I'm all good. This thing was still fluctuating. I put my limit there. It's like, okay, well, just to get me in, bro, because I kind of already had a feeling that if I wait for this thing to close, I'm not gonna be able to get in. Which, as you can see, if I did wait for this to close, put my fucking limit here, I would have never gotten in. I already had a feeling. I've been watching this shit. Like, I've been fucking on the charts for fucking like 4 years, bro. I already know these things, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? So, before this thing closed, put my limit there. I was like, okay, once this thing closes nicely, I'm gonna add more. Exactly what I did, added more. Price was still very aggressive, and we got clear fucking liquidity. So I kept adding because it don't make sense for it to just completely fucking, what I'm saying, like drop from here, bro. Like really, like it's so aggressive that it doesn't make sense to ignore these highs. At least this high here. You know what I'm saying? But it was definitely gonna come up here. So that's why I kept adding, and here we are. Nice, easy trade. That's it for me. I'm out. I'm about to go to the gym. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow, man.